my goodness. Looks like you have another toy to play with.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of circular saw. It is a circular saw. It says so right there. I was going to let you say it, but I'm like, will I get it right? This is a cordless circular saw. You get the saw, you get the battery, you get the charger, you get that thing.
Guide.
It's a guide. Hey,
Right
that's
there.
why you're helping me with this.
Yep. See, you can guide.
Oh, okay.
along. That's the guide.
I
You can
get
set
it.
You know how much you need to cut, but this is just an example because
Yeah.
I'm showing it.
Yeah, okay.
But,
That
so
makes
it
it
comes with
nice.
that.
Okay, show me what else it does.
It can do your angled
Okay,
cut, and it'll tell you right there what angle you're at.
okay.
So just leave it at 0. And then the same thing with your depth. Just quick, easy lever. I like the easy levers. So
Oh,
now you can adjust how deep you need to cut it. And if you need to know it, it says it right there.
oh, that's neat. Let me see that again. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, what's that?
That's an Allen. So instead of a wrench that's normally there, they give it an Allen.
Oh, and that's so you can change the blade?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, that makes it easy. Yeah. That's pretty cool. And then you can see on here clearly what kind of blade it is, but you could always switch it out for different blades.
There's the blade lock.
Okay.
So to tighten it, you need to hold the blade lock.
All right.
See how it goes in.
Uh-huh.
And then to loosen it, you probably have to hold the blade lock or else it'll just keep on spinning.
Perfect. All right.
So, tighten that back in, put the tool back away.
And then you said it does have the hookup for a bag if you wanted to,
Yeah,
Make it
yeah,
so-
I thought that was kind of cool.
the dust kind of goes, oh, that's the hookup. So you can hook a bag to there and it'll, not all the dust, but some of the dust at least will go into a bag or a vacuum cleaner hose if you want to do it that way.
Yeah.
Put a battery in it. Let's see what it does. Please keep all of your fingers. Thank you.
Right.
I do like that it has the guard on the bottom. These old beats.
Wow.
Those scare me.
That's got a lot of torque.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Fun.
Wow.
It's so light.
Is it?
I mean,
That's good.
honestly, for having a big battery, I mean, the battery's light too. I like
Nice.
I like that it's light.
It makes it easier to use, huh?
Yeah.
So would you say you approve?
That cut that pretty
It
easy.
really did. If you guys are looking for a nice battery-operated circular saw, we approve of this one.